Hey you guys, welcome back to K&K's Inspired Creations with Latara. So today I'm going to show you guys how I made a lemon dessert candle. So I started off by preheating the oven and putting, I think it's like a pizza pan that I got from Dollar Tree so that I can put the long candles that you can get from Dollar Tree inside of the stove. This is the easiest way for me to do it. So while I'm waiting for it to melt, what I did is I took some wicks that I bought off of Amazon, put them in there, and used two knives to kind of hold the wicks up straight so that once I poured it in there, they didn't fall down. So this is after everything had basically melted, and it's coming out a dark color because I had did a green candle before this and I didn't clean it out, so it's coming out kind of greenish yellowish, but it still worked out. It still looked yellowish when it finally dried. So I set it to the side, and I want to make like I want to do like a whipped topping kind of thing. So from watching other YouTube videos, I knew that you're supposed to wait for it to kind of cool off some, and then you just kind of whip it for a long time. I think I either waited too long or maybe I started too early, because I was able to whip it, but it was too thick and it started to dry anytime I tried to kind of pipe it onto my candle. So that's pretty much all I'm doing, is just showing you that you just kind of whip it for a very long time just to kind of get the consistency. I think it's supposed to be like a mashed potato-y kind of texture. I'm not sure though. There's so many YouTube videos that could help you if you're trying to do something like that. So don't go by what I do. Go find somebody who actually know what they're doing, because I couldn't do it. So the first thing I did is I did take a piping bag. I put a tip in there, and I am going to scoop this into my piping bag because it seemed like it was right. So I was like, let me go ahead and try it. So I put it all into the bag, and keep in mind it is still pretty warm. You don't want it like room temperature, like cold or anything like that, because obviously at that point it's cured. But so it's still pretty warm, and so I'm just putting it all into this piping bag because, like I said, I want it to do like a whipped topping. So you're going to see that I am going to try to pipe it in there. The yellow candle is dry at this point. So yeah. It didn't really work. It didn't want to come out. I wasn't really sure what I did wrong, so I just decided to pivot. So I was like, okay, I guess I'll do ice cream scoops in this, like this lemon dessert. I don't even know what kind of dessert it is, like a lemon pudding with ice cream on top, which actually sounds pretty good to me. So I just went ahead and used my ice cream scoop that I only use for my wax, and scooped it out. And I mean, it did a good job. It definitely looks like ice cream. It even gives the little texture of ice cream. I love that you could pick it up and move it. If you wanted it to kind of stick to the yellow, the yellow wax, you can always take like a lighter and kind of melt the area that you want to put it on there a little bit so that it'll stick to it. But I was okay with it kind of just doing its own thing. And I did 2 scoops on one side. I did 2 or 3 more scoops on the other side, and I just kind of called it a day at that point. It wasn't what I had set out to do, but I love the way that it came out. So at the end of the day, I couldn't be upset. A lot of times when you're crafting, you gotta learn how to pivot and just be okay with what happens. But I do want to thank you so much for watching my videos. You can be watching anybody else's videos on the planet, but you're watching mine, and I'm very much appreciative of that. And if this is your first time here, welcome to my little pastel bakery corner of the internet. And if you're returning, hey fake bake besties, thank you so much for coming back. Here we create fake baked desserts, seasonal decor, and fun DIY pieces that look good enough to eat. So if that is your vibe, go ahead and subscribe to become my newest fake bake bestie. So as you can see, I did put 3 on there. This is the final reveal. I think it still came out really cute. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. And I will see you guys next time. And until next time, keep it sweet and keep it creative.